Here is Myfirstwig's 10x6 glueless wig. It's 130% in density. It comes pre-plucked, of course, pre-bleached, and this is how the inside looks. Now, you know, a big feature is when the ears, it has this C shape because the cap just sits comfortably on your head. And then we do the shake test to show you how secure it is. Super flat. The wig is 100% giving realistic. It's super easy to work with, super beginner friendly. It's a 10.